So in my recent video, some of my brothers were asking me to make a video on how to write the best prompts for image generation, and I was working on another project, so I couldn't make that video.
I'm really sorry for the delay.
But today, after waiting a whole month, I'm finally going to show you the best ways to write effective prompts to generate amazing images with Kling AI. But here's the deal. You've got to watch this video till the end without skipping, because if you give your 100% focus on this 5 minutes video, you won't miss any tricks and will be able to write the best prompts on your own. This is the easiest step of the process. Your main subject could be practically anything: character, animals, food, plants, buildings, or any other object you can imagine. For example, I will generate a photo in Kling AI. And for those who don't know about Kling AI, it's an amazing tool that can generate outstanding text-to-image, text-to-video, and even image-to-video transformations. I'll put the link to the tool in the description below. All right, to generate the image, I will click here. Now, in this prompt box, we have to type our prompts. So let's type a camper bus. I will set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate the image. All right, as you can see that as we prompted just a camper bus, the output of the images are pretty simple. Just a camper bus, nothing special about the background and even the camper. Subject description refers to a detailed and specific textual description of the main object or focal point in the image. And to describe the main subject, we have to follow 4 steps. Step 1, define the subject clearly. Step 2, provide characteristics. Step 3, specific situation. Step 4, combine emotion and behavior. And now that we are generating an image of a camper bus, we just have to follow from step 1 to step 3. So I will rewrite the prompt as a beautifully aged camper bus in the cartoon style with glowing orange indicator lights turned on, with a retro design, white-blue faded colors, and intricate detailing on the body. Now I will set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate the image. All right, so you can see that as we provided a detailed description of the main subject, the outputs of the camper bus are pretty detailed. Cartoon style, orange indicator lights, white-blue faded colors. Our third step is time, meaning the time node at which the scene in the image occurs. For example, we can specify time points like dawn, noon, 6 p.m., 12 a.m., time periods like morning, afternoon, evening, historical time nodes like the Industrial Revolution, Middle Ages, during World War, and seasonal time nodes like early spring, midsummer, autumn, or winter. All right, now I will add the time in our prompt. So I will type at golden hour with a setting sun, casting a red-yellow warm glow over the scene. Now I want you to pay some attention here. Neither you will forget the steps. So as you can see, this is our first step, the main subject. And this is the subject description, the second step. And this is time, which we have just written right now. And one more thing, guys, if it still seems a little bit confusing, don't worry, because I have created an entire blueprint explaining the whole process with more detail. It's totally free, and you can get it in my free Discord community or Telegram channel. I guarantee you will get a lot of information from it, so make sure to check it out. Anyways, back to the work. Now I will generate the image. All right, so as you can see, the outputs of the images are exactly what we have prompted. So our fourth step is environment, which refers to the background or surrounding physical space where the main subject is located, providing context and atmosphere for the scene. For example, natural environments like a mountain stream or rainforest, city environments like an ancient neighborhood or a busy business district, indoor environments like a cozy living room or modern office space, special environments like an intense battlefield or western cowboy town. All right, so now we will add the environment to the prompt. So I will type, the camper is parked at the edge of a mountain at the left side of the image, where vibrant nature flourishes, with tall trees, flowering plants, and rich greenery. Below the mountain's edge lies a serene blue lake with water as clear as the sea. In the far background, a distinct triangular volcano rises, emitting a gentle plume of smoke, enhancing the natural beauty and the peaceful atmosphere, creating a captivating view. And click Generate the Image. And here is a bonus tip. When you write the environment, make sure to describe it as clearly and vividly as you can. All right, so as you can see, here are our generated images, perfectly aligned with our prompt, featuring the camper, tall trees, flowering plants, a serene blue lake, and a triangular volcano emitting smoke. Everything we described is reflected beautifully in the outputs. Our fifth step is action, and it's quite simple. Action refers to what the main subject is doing in the image, or what purpose it serves in the scene. For instance, if we're generating an image of a person, we can define actions like specific actions, reading a book, watching TV, or working on a computer. Interactive behaviors, talking to friends, feeding pets, or interacting with the environment. Emotional expressions, smiling, crying, or looking thoughtful. Continuous activities, running in the park, riding a bicycle, or swimming in the ocean. The action step adds context and dynamism to the image, helping to tell a story and convey a specific mood or emotion. All right, now I will add the action to our prompt. So I will type, the camper bus door is open and a person is sitting in a chair at the edge of the mountain looking far away into the sky with a relaxed and adventurous pose, as if soaking in the breathtaking view. And again, I will generate the image. All right. As you can see, when we included a description of a person sitting in a chair, the AI successfully added them to the scene, capturing the relaxed and adventurous feeling we aimed for. All right, our sixth step is the detailed scene description, which provides an in-depth textual description of the visual elements and effects in the image. This step is further divided into 6 smaller components. 1. Composition refers to how the elements in the image are arranged, such as the golden ratio, diagonal composition, or triangular layout. 2. Perspective or camera angle refers to the viewpoint and shooting camera angle of the image, such as bird's eye view, looking up, eye level, worm's eye view, three-quarter view, over-the-shoulder view, low-angle perspective, Dutch tilted angle, first-person perspective, extreme close-up, wide-angle view, panoramic view, isometric perspective, point of interest focus, aerial perspective. 3. Style or movement refers to the artistic style or movement of the image, such as realistic, cinematic, surrealism, impressionism, watercolor, pixel art, fantasy art, low poly, abstract, anime style, etc. 4. Color tone refers to the overall color tone and color scheme of the image, such as cool tone, high saturation tone, warm tone, etc. 5. Lighting and shadow effects refers to the lighting and shadow effects in the image, such as soft light, strong shadows, gentle morning light, volumetric, dramatic, cinematic, studio lighting, chiaroscuro, glow, neon, bioluminescent, holographic, radiance, luminous, shimmering, glistening, polished, satin, silken, reflective, frosted, glittering, sparkling, dappled, filtered, backlit, silhouetted, highlighted, low light, spotlight, floodlight, rim light, shadowed, contrasted, mood lighting, etc. 6. Texture refers to the texture in the image, such as rough, coarse, smooth, soft, bumpy, even, textured, resilient, grainy, sticky, knobbly, shiny, wavy, flat, dull, glassy, matte, furry, velvet, bristly, feathery, scaly, slick, gloopy, dry, etc. All right, by adding these small details into our prompt, we can achieve extremely detailed outputs for our images. Now, I will also include our 6th step in the prompt. Here's what I'll type. The image is extremely detailed with hyper resolution and features soft, glowing, radiant lighting to highlight the colors and textures, capturing the beauty of nature in anime style. The image shows a three-quarter view with vibrant, natural colors, accentuating the sky, lake, and landscape. All right, so as you can see, the output images turned out fantastic, exactly as per our prompt. So guys, by applying this information in your prompts and experimenting regularly, you'll definitely become an expert in prompt writing for image generation. And one more thing, don't be afraid to get creative and experiment. Prompt writing is an art, and the more you explore and refine your descriptions, the better your results will be. Try combining different steps, exploring new angles, or switching up your style to see what works best for your vision. Keep pushing the boundaries, and you'll unlock endless possibilities for your image generation projects. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.